Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're doing roasted root vegetable soup. In front of me I've got a giant carrot, just use 3 lesser carrots if you don't have a jumbo carrot, a turnip, 3 radishes, 3 potatoes, half an onion, actually that's a whole onion but I'm going to make a sandwich with the other half, and 3 celery stalks. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do is peel and dice everything that needs peeled and diced. I'm leaving the skins on the potatoes. You do what you want to do. These will get peeled, and I'm going to cut these into half moons and soak them for 20 minutes. While that's soaking, I'm going to cut everybody else up. I'll see you in a minute when everything's all nice and diced. By the way, for soups, you can use as much of the dark green part as you want. I pruned these back because they were getting a little manky at the ends. I meant to make this soup 2 days ago, but what can you do? I think I'm going to go ahead and use the whole onion. As you're going, have 2 cookie sheets ready and spread them out. You probably don't want them this close, but what can you do? Okay, this part isn't traditional, but I cut a head of garlic in half and I'm just throwing it in there because why not? Okay, so now I've got 2 sheet pans full of veg. I've got preheated my oven to 450, and I am going to start pouring olive oil on these. Now, don't go crazy, you don't want them dripping, but you do need coverage, so we're going to pour it, we're going to massage it, and we're going to keep it pushing. If you hear any screaming in the hallway, that's the neighbor kids. They've discovered that the funnest thing in the world is the echo in the stairwell. So we're just going to do one of these. Same as these over here. Now, I'm out of olive oil, so that's going to have to do. But I'm getting everybody all mixed together. That should help with some evenness. I've reloaded my olive oil, and I don't remember whether I said I shorted it a potato. It's 2 potatoes, not 3. Now I feel like that's too much, but that's okay. Now I'm going to stick these in the oven. $450 for 20 minutes, so I'm going to rotate at 10. While we're waiting for that, I took a couple sprigs of rosemary and thyme and I stripped them into a microfood processor. And that will be for later. Like I said, we do want to flip both of them halfway through, but first I'm going to salt and pepper them because I didn't. So sprinkling of salt. Sprinkling of pepper. Don't forget to salt and pepper. If you're feeling really plucky, you could also flip them there. I'm not gonna. Okay, everybody looks nice and tender. I'm gonna throw them in a pot. At this point, you may need a spatula. Oh yeah, before you throw them in a pot, take that head of garlic out. If anybody sticks, just stab them a little bit. Oops. That's a whoopsie doodle right there. Okay, at this stage we're going to add 2 bay leaves. And And as many pieces of garlic from this head as we want. We're also going to take this time to add our herbs. The food processor didn't do a very good job, but that's okay. Okay, turn on the heat. Medium. And we're going to cook this for a little while, giving it the occasional stir. I'm thinking like 5 minutes. Once the time's up, we're going to go ahead and add our broth. First, I'm going to move some of this stuff around, get up some of the fond little by little. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 4 cups of broth. We're going to see how it is with 4. If it's too thick, we've got more. And that was vegetable broth. Give it a stir. Bring it to a boil. This actually comes together super fast. Once everybody looks good, hit it with your motorboat. Okay, now we're going to add more vegetable broth. I'm going to try to bring it to a consistency that we want. A little bit at a time, you don't want to drown it. I'm going to add another big pinch of salt. And some more twists of freshly ground black pepper. Okay, I finally hit a soup consistency, so I'm going to stop that. Taste it again. Good. Now, adjust your salt and pepper to taste. And then, if you're doing a sandwich on the side like I currently am, wait till you're ready and then heat it, bring it back to the temperature you want. And once my sandwich is done, I'm ready to serve. Give yourself as much soup as you want, you've earned it. And then I'm going to add a little cheddar cheese to the top. Okay, maybe a little more than a little. Double little. And a little parsley for garnish. And there we have it, root vegetable soup. Not too pretty, but very delicious. Like, subscribe, click that little bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye.